Shubho Deepavali, আমাদের বন্ধুরা. Today we're going to be looking at some of the Diwali fireworks that have been going on in London. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's go. Everywhere you look. It's pretty cool. Sounds like someone just started doing their lawn mowing. Oh, just missed that one. Oh, missed that one. Another close one. Ooh. খুব সুন্দর. I'm liking it. Oh, they've all died down. They've all died down. My money's on, yeah, this location. These guys, they know how to do it. They know how to celebrate Diwali. Oh. Oh, rivals to the left of them. Oh my god. That was crazy. I felt like that just went past my ear. Wow. Nice, nice. Oh. Wait, what was that? Anyway, as you can see, there's a lot going on. Are these guys still at it? Yes, there's some on the bottom right, bottom left, and in the middle actually. Oh, all you can smell in the air is fireworks. Like you can see the mist. They're at it again. All you can smell is that like gunpowdery smell. A few more going up in the air. I wish there was a way to tell where the next firework is coming from. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's some nice ones going off there. These guys have started up again. This is still going. Ooh. I tell you what, my hands are cold. Cold panda. I don't know the word for hands. I don't know the word for feet, but I call them juto anyway, because it's as close as I can get. Oh wow. Okay, we're are we gonna see the next ones? Some going on way back here. Like you can see the sky getting brighter, but you can't see the firework itself. A bit further here to the left, way in the distance. There's some going on. Oh, some a bit closer to home. Whee! These fireworks are Giotto. Oh, there's some more here. Amar Dandike. Oh, it disappeared. They were there. On my right is what I was trying to say. Oh! Whoa! Whoa. Nice. Some going on here, there's some going on here, some going on there. Oh, I wish I could see them. They're going on just over the building. Oh, some nice ones. Again, very far away. Oh. Oh. Nice. Still, I can hear some very loud Hindi speakers down there. Don't understand a word of what they're saying, which is a shame. Oh, these guys are, I wonder what that is. Lighting off some kind of Roman candle, I think we used to call them. Some way off in the distance there. And usually these guys on the left have been going for ages. Really far away though, you can barely see it. Some nice ones going off there. Oh, where's it gone? Okay, my hands are really cold, so I'm gonna go back in. Oh! Oh! Night number 2. More fireworks, great to see. There's some going off over here somewhere. There's one there. There's one there. Some going off over here. Again, like last night, pretty much everywhere you look, you've got fireworks. Boom! It's a few hours later. I'm back out again. Oh my god, the smell in the air is nothing but smoke. I mean, it smells good. Don't get me wrong. I thought I saw a few go off over there. Oh, there we go, there's some there. All I can smell is smoke. I don't know the word for smoke. The noise is so loud of fireworks, but they're either round the corner or over the hill, so we can't actually see them. Oh, if I can zoom in. Wait, no, not there. Ah, there we go. This video stuff is harder than it looks. More action going on over here. some going on over there. It really is like everywhere you look, but like I might look to my left and the camera will still be on the right. I think last night's ones were better, to be honest, which makes sense. It's like the first night, you know, big night when it's all kicking off. Oh! So basically this has been going on all night and I could have come out here at any point and it would have been the same stuff. Big Diwali fans here in northwest London. Everywhere you look, it's great to see and it's great to smell. Let's see if we can get one big boom to go out on. Okay, give it to us. Oi! There we go. See ya.